So yeah, you're gonna see problems like this one on the assignment. You got rectangular measures 8p plus 6, and the length is p plus 11. It's asking for us to find the perimeter in centimeters of the rectangle. It may be useful to remember that perimeter is the same as taking length and then adding your width, and then just kind of repeating that right there. Some people write this formula a little bit differently. That's completely up to you. But I'm going to write it like this so I can see all four sides. So let's go and think about a rectangle right here like this. Okay, now if the length is, it says up there, the length is 8p plus 6. No, that's the width. It says the length is p plus 11. So I'm just going to label this as my length, p plus 11. And then at the top there, at the beginning, it said that the width was 8p plus 6. So I'm gonna show it right here. 8p plus 6, kind of small. Hopefully that's okay. Now for a perimeter, we need all four sides. So I know opposite sides of a rectangle are the same. They're gonna match. They're congruent, however you want to say it. So I got 8p plus 6 there on the right and p plus 11 on the bottom. Now that I can see this, or hopefully it helps to see it, I'm ready to actually make a new expression. So instead of length, I'm going to replace it with the measurement that it gave us, which is just p plus 11. Also, it says that the width, so my widths are going to be replaced with 8p plus 6. So I'm going to do that with the rest of these as well. Okay, so I've got my length. I know it's p plus 11. And then I got my width, which is 8p plus 6. And it's perimeter, so we're just going to add all these together. That's what the p is. You could just make it an expression if you wanted to and get rid of the p. But it's going to represent perimeter. Well, we have an expression here. What have we got? 1, 2, 3. We got 8 terms. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 terms. But there's only two different types of terms. We have p terms, and then we have constant terms. So I'm going to start by combining the p's because it's the first term. And again, it may be helpful to see the ones there. So I have 1p. I'm dealing with p terms, but 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 1 is 10, plus 8. That gives me 18 total p's. Now I'm ready to combine the constants. I have 11 plus 6 plus 11 plus 6. And that should be a total of positive 34. Now some students may reverse the order here, and they may write it as positive 34 plus 18p. It's exactly the same expression. All you've done is change the order. So either one of these would work.